It ain't Taco Tuesday, but girl gonna make tacos. Like, hey guys, what up? Today we're gonna be doing a cooking with Gladi. Today I'm gonna make shrimp tacos. Very good, delicious, fast shrimp tacos that you guys can make at home. It ain't Taco Tuesday, but girl gonna make tacos. Like, look. But let's just get started. I got my Walmart order right now as we speak, so let's go get that. My Walmart stuff. I was gonna go pick it up, the groceries at Walmart, all the ingredients and stuff, but it started raining. So I was like, the book with all the kids, not happening, boo-boo. It's all hectic going to the market with all the kids sometimes, and especially raining. It started raining today, so your girl ordered the groceries by Walmart. The Walmart, I think, Plus or whatever. Yeah, I got basically everything, you know. See if I can. Ooh, the cilantro lime. I would have made it by scratch, but I even got like stuff from my cafecito. Oh, girl, my cafecito tomorrow morning, and yeah, let's go get that stuff. I ordered also like como cilantro. I already washed my manitas. I'm gonna use jumbo shrimp. I'm gonna wash them and then I'm gonna put them in this bowl here, and I'm gonna pat dry them and then put them on here, and then we're gonna add all the seasoning for them to get marinated. Okay, so Violet wants to cook with us. Say hi. Say hi, vlog. Dale, Vito. I got my little helper here that out of nowhere she wants to volunteer. Don't mind her hair, guys, because she was just playing, like wrestling with the damn boys right now. Like, she likes to wrestle her freaking brothers and her older sister, and she's the youngest one. So what are you made out of?
This is 100.
I'm gonna go get the ingredients.
We can make it fast.
Yeah, we're gonna make it fast. You heard her. Like, period.
We're gonna add this and this.
Yeah, baby. We're gonna add chipotle chili peppers on it. Garlic salt. Say garlic salt.
Garlic salt.
So we're gonna be pouring in some garlic salt, some Old Bay seasoning, my fave. Also chipotle chili peppers.
Yeah.
So we're gonna pour that in here right now.
So let's add it.
Okay, ready? Okay, just a little bit of that.
And we can slide this one.
The chipotle chili peppers.
Chili peppers.
A little bit of that. I'll help you.
Look at it.
Yummy.
It tastes good.
You haven't tasted it, girl. We have to cook it.
I know. Eat now.
Okay, so who's cooking? You or me?
You and me.
Aww, high five. Good teamwork, high five. Be mixing it up until it's coated with all the seasoning. Like that. Oh.
I love
What's
that.
good, huh? The marinating?
I love that smell.
She said it smells good, guys. So it should be looking something like this. Tell them what we did. So I went ahead and I cut all my ingredients.
And this is enough.
Yeah, it's basically enough for what we have of onion and tomato.
She cut everything.
Yeah, baby, just because mommy has to because of knife, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So yeah, I went ahead and I quickly cut this real quick just because like we're just trying to eat dinner, girl, because the girl's hungry.
You get the subscribe button and press it, and then you will see how big.
Dile, mama, dile, but you can't see yourself.
First you need to subscribe to our channels and hit the like button and comment down below if you like a video.
Woo! Guys, that was all her. Okay, like she said, pause this video. Go subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video if you're already liking it. You know, just click the like button. It'll help me out. All of our friends on YouTube, what would you tell them?
I would tell them, do you like the food and everything?
Yeah, guys, let us know if you guys like the food. Anyways, let's get back into this video, okay, Mama? Let's start cooking it up. That is hot. I'm gonna throw in my onions and tomatoes. Chopped up some cilantro, and I'm gonna add it to this sauce. Then we're just gonna mix this real quick. Yeah, we're gonna have the shrimp in. These are my favorite tortillas. They're hecho de mano, bomb as fuck. If you know, you freaking know. Flip these bitches over. I had to turn on the air vent just because se está quemando la casa, you know. Just kidding. So I'm just gonna take out my tortillas. They're ready. Those are hecho de mano. Ooh, they're piling up. We're just gonna go in. I'm over here like, échale. I did wash up some cabbage and just to add on the taquitos. Guys, my mouth is freaking watery. Get into it. Get into this bitch. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. This is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed cooking with Glady. And yeah, let me know if you guys tried this recipe out. I really hope you guys do try this recipe out. It's really freaking good. Even do it when it's Taco Tuesday or when it's not Taco Tuesday. Just freaking try it out. Like, what's it gonna hurt? It's freaking fast. A really fast dinner. And yeah, me and my kids loved it, so I hope you guys try it out and let me know if you guys do end up trying it out. But without further ado, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.